Which of the following best defines educational management? A. Management of business organizations. B. Management of human and material resources in educational settings. C. Management of student-teacher interactions. D. Management of financial assets exclusively. B. Management of human and material resources in educational settings. The process of setting goals, creating strategies, and allocating resources to achieve objectives is known as A. Organizing. B. Leading. C. Planning. D. Controlling. C. Planning. Which of the following management functions focuses on monitoring and evaluating performance? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Controlling. D. Leading. C. Controlling. In educational management, the principle of equity primarily promotes A. Equal salaries for all staff. B. Fair treatment and respect among students and staff. C. Hiring only experienced teachers. D. Increasing student enrollment. B. Fair treatment and respect among students and staff. A participative management style in schools often results in A. Autocratic decision-making. B. High employee engagement. C. Decreased communication. D. Minimal student involvement. B. High employee engagement. Which of these is not a major function of educational management? A. Planning. B. Budgeting. C. Designing curriculum. D. Leading. C. Designing curriculum. The concept of delegation in educational institutions refers to A. Allocating resources efficiently. B. Assigning responsibility to subordinates. C. Centralizing decision-making. D. Enhancing teacher-student interaction. B. Assigning responsibility to subordinates. The primary purpose of educational management is to A. Maximize profits for institutions. B. Develop strategies for quality education delivery. C. Monitor only financial aspects. D. Emphasize administrative tasks exclusively. B. Develop strategies for quality education delivery. Who is generally responsible for setting long-term goals in educational institutions? A. Teachers. B. Administrative staff. C. School principal or headmaster. D. Students. C. School principal or headmaster. In management, SWOT analysis is used to A. Set educational standards. B. Evaluate strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. C. Train faculty members. D. Design curriculum content. B. Evaluate strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats.